do we answer this question? To get the answer to the question, you must pay attention to what you were told in this main part of the question. Know the options now. A positively charged rod, so that means the rod is positively charged. It was brought nearer to the top cap of a positively charged electroscope. That is also positive. Now, in a gold leaf electroscope, now a lot of things might have forgotten, but I'll just draw a diagram here for a gold leaf electroscope. In a gold leaf electroscope, if this is the gold leaf and this is the brass cap, this is the brass rod, these are the insulating plug, and this is the case. In this case, if I bring this as a material that is positively charged, because the gold leaf is positively charged, will there be divergence or convergence? You don't have to think too much, because they already said that the charge is positive and they said the leaf is positive. Whenever there is positive, there will be divergence, which is said in the question. So you're not asking there will be divergence, you're not asking there will be convergence. They know that there will be divergence. There will be divergence, but how will it work? The first one says decrease to zero. Now, when you say divergence decrease to zero, it means if this is the leaf, it's supposed to move this way. That is divergence. It is moving away from this guy. Divergence starts with D, so does divide. So when you say diverge, what you mean is there is divide. The thing is leaving, the gold leaf is leaving this rod now, this brass rod. Understand? It doesn't really mean you're trying to share the gold leaf into two. You're not trying to divide in that way. You're trying to move the gold leaf away from the brass rod. So option A says decrease to zero. Decrease to zero means that, oh, this guy will not move here. This guy will move towards this brass rod, which is a lie. There is no way this guy will move towards the brass rod because they are of the same polarity. If this is positive and this guy is negative, all right, that's why you now have convergence. So option A is wrong. Option B say steadily increases. Of course, it will increase. From where it is now, it will start moving this way, start diverging more because the charges are similar and there should always be repulsion. So option B is correct. Option C say decrease to zero, meaning this guy now, the gold leaf, will move towards the brass cap and then increase. That's so wrong. Why will it move towards the brass cap to begin with and then first start diverging? That's not true. Option D says remain constant. Come on, there's no way to remain constant. It can't remain constant because a charge just came in now. You cannot have positive here, have positive here, and the material remain constant. You can't even have positive and negative, and the material remain constant. There must be movement. It can be divergence, or it can be what now? Convergence. Now, option E says increase to a maximum and then decrease. This is also wrong. It cannot increase and then fall back. So the right answer is option B.